Well, good morning everyone. Thought I would do a September update. This is kind of what's left of the garden at this point. As you can see, most things have been harvested. This area is looking a lot different. I got rid of the pumpkins, harvested those and took those inside. All the tomatoes, all the peppers, all the cucumber and zucchini, pretty well everything that's a summer crop has all been harvested at this point. Over here we got sunflowers. They were kind of late to get started, it felt like, but here they are, growing nice and tall and starting to flower. All the pole beans have also been harvested at this stage in the game. Our little flower bed looking nice. Over in this bed you can see I've successfully transplanted as well as direct sown a whole bunch of greens for the fall here. Got a bunch of different types of kale here, some spinach doing well, lettuce, a variety of radishes here, and some salad green mixes. Couple of types of mustard, mizuna, pak choy, and then these here are broccoli. We got a little bit of frost the other night, so that was part of why I harvested a lot of the things. Here in this bed, things are coming along really nice. Parsnips getting huge actually. These bush beans, I'm probably gonna take those down later today, harvest the remainder of the beans. This whole bed has now been harvested. It had mostly tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. I did have some cucumber and zucchini in here as well later in the season. You take a look over here, we've got some chard looking nice. Purple cabbage. It's been holding up strong kind of all summer actually. I've just been letting it go. We got some, I believe this is more chard over here. Could be beets, they're actually the same. Interestingly enough, I found out that beets and chard are the same species. Or they both belong to Beta vulgaris, or beets. Here are some more brassicas that I started indoors, and I might, once I harvest what's in the rest of what's in this bed, and even today you can see I've got a few empty spots here that could be filled, so I might transplant those into this garden bed, perhaps even get these insulated. Oh, I can see so this here is green sorrel, or lemon sorrel, and I just noticed this morning it's beginning to bolt actually, probably on account of the cold weather. So that might be an interesting one to finish off harvesting here for the season. It'll win us a little bit of space. You can see back here these beets have been trying to do something but not really doing much, so they're a little crowded. Got some lettuce and cabbages that are a little crowded. These radishes have also bolted, and that could actually be on account of the heat rather than the cold. These kohlrabi getting big. Those I might check on today or another day. But let's take a look over here. This is kind of the only other section of the garden where I've still got a lot happening. These carrots are getting nice and big. They'll be ready before too long. I might see if they can handle a frost or two, or they might have to. Sunflowers, delphinium. These guys, you know, I'm impressed with how tall they got and impressed with how many flowers I got per plant. And nasturtium's still there, and you can see though that I've harvested all the tomatoes that were on these little trellises that I built. And then over here, just kind of the remainder of some containers, some flowers, that I'm permitting to kind of dry out at this point. I haven't been watering them too much, but you know, having said that, we're still getting some exquisite color out of this flower bed. So I'm quite impressed with that. And over here, same deal. All the Phacelia is kind of done for the season. I might actually be able to harvest seed off that. And this buckwheat, same deal. I think I'm gonna harvest some of the seed off of that. A Haskap berry bush that I just potted up. Some of our vines still going strong. And some are kind of done for the season. The morning glory starting to yellow. The hops kind of beginning to go into fall and winter mode as well. Some more recent additions. Blueberry bushes. I believe those are raspberry. Those were given to me to take care of. And that's kind of it. We got some potatoes here. Then again, I'm just kind of letting them dry out and fall over. And some pole beans. They could probably just be cleaned up. That's kind of where we're at. It is today is September the 13th, I think. It's just a Sunday morning. And yeah, I thought I'd give you guys just a quick little update on where the garden's at for September. So thanks for tuning in. Hope it's been a good season for you guys. I know it was seemed like a bit of a rocky start to the growing season, but actually, you know, we had a good month of August as far as I'm concerned, and we've been getting somewhat of an Indian summer, so every year is different, but yeah, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy gardening, and at this point, happy harvesting and preserving if you're doing that as well. All right, bye for now.